And there you have it, guys. Another wound. It could be a werewolf attack. It could be a bear claw attack. It could be anything that you possibly want it to be. With loads of a bit of blood, a bit of scab blood into the deepest crevices. That all of this will just like ping out and make it look just even more beautiful than it already is. Again, if you like this, press the subscribe button, press the like button, press the share button. And if you want to purchase one of these items, one of these lovely prosthetics, visit my Etsy store. That will be in the description below. And remember, don't be cute, be gorgeous. And I'll see you next week.